Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you use text-to-music AI. First of all, enter this site from the link in the description. Write what kind of music you want. Then, click the Generate button.
Sitting on the bench watching the people go. The sun is setting on the shamrock. The birds are singing but I can't hear their song. In this lonely park I feel so all alone.
You can change the lyrics of the song as you wish. You can download this song as MP3 or as a video. Let's create one more random music. Then, click the Generate button.
I'm done with the lies, I'm done with the games. No more submission, I'm ready to raise a flame. I'm standing up, I'm speaking now. I won't be silenced, I'm breaking now.
Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.